How to post stories on Twitch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the latest update on Twitch, now you can upload stories to Twitch as well. But in order to do so, let's move on and check the eligibility as well as the process. In order to create a story, you will have the create story option in your create dashboard as well. This way, you can select a clip from your camera, clip or canvas. From the camera, you can select photo or video, or you can select any clips as well. Additionally, you can also select if you want the story to be for 1 hour, 2 hour or 24 hours. You can also add different types of text into it. However, eligibility to create a story will be limited to partners and affiliates with at least one stream of 45 minutes longer in the last 30 days. Only such streamers will be able to post stories to their subscribers. So, if you do not see an option right now but have the eligibility fulfilled, you can open your Play Store and update your Twitch application. Once that is done, tap on the plus icon and you should see the story option. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.